See here, I'm discuss topic called LinkedIn. That is called how to promote videos on LinkedIn. That is called how to promote videos on LinkedIn. So Twitter, how many minutes you are accept by videos? 2 minutes 20 seconds. But LinkedIn accept minutes are only for 10 minutes. LinkedIn upload videos on accept minutes are only for 10 minutes. Now here, LinkedIn display by three versions, write an article, image and videos. Now you select the videos here. Remember, the first time create person profile, no connection. Video option will be not disabled. Is a not visible. It's called disable option. Why? No connection. The option is disabled. Please note it. When you create first time on your LinkedIn profile, when you create an LinkedIn profile first time, our LinkedIn will be no connections. Our LinkedIn will be no connections. So video option is not visible. That disabled by LinkedIn. So what we'll do? Increase the connection. That appear by your videos option. Now click the video here. So I'm going to my specific folder. So here I'm selecting view viewers here. This video, how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. Yes or no? I upload here. What happened? Unsupport length. Why? They accept only for 10 minutes. More than minutes, they can't accept it. These are very important. Twitter is 2 minutes 20 seconds. LinkedIn will be only for 10 minutes. Now here, select this video on your any screen less than 10 minutes. 11. This is also 11 minutes. These are 4 minutes. Okay. Now select this option. Now here, done. Hashtag. Your complete social media depend on your hashtag and update. Hashtag for trending, update for your tagging. Tagging for your company page, profile and groups. Now I am waiting for this option here. Done. See this one. Buy. Now click for update. Digital Rakesh. Scroll here. Select it here. Now clear. Option selected. How to match your Facebook pages likes to the ID by Digital Rakesh. Now we can writing for more tutorials. You can click for Ash Rakedex Solutions and at the rate of Tech Solutions. Let me check here. It's done. Now click for here and click for post. Video accept by the below 10 minutes with hashtag update. They will be tagging for your profile or page or group for getting followers and more likes purpose. Now video will be process going on here. Just wait for a second. The upload will be on your LinkedIn profile. Your video was uploaded here with your hashtag. If anybody asks will be Facebook, just click here. I'm using for hashtag for Facebook. Just is open for your tab. Click for new tab. Now see here. That is called search results. Will be keyword for Facebook. How many member using for Ash Facebook? The topic going to trending on your LinkedIn. Suppose I'm looking for Facebook tutorial. So what is that? They're using for Ash Facebook. See here. They're done after the mouse. Just see the here. I show the one by one option. See here. This is all posting for how many minutes back? 1 minute. 1 minute. Just scroll down. 10 hours. 2 minutes. 5 minutes. My video coming to down. Why? I'm posting for 5 minutes back. Within a 5 minutes, how many more posting? Look here. This is a 10 hours back posting, but 1 minute back they were doing for reshare. They share into their wall. See this. What are they using for hashtag? Facebook. It's clear? This is for if you know the trending topic, the option call is hash your keyword. Please note it. If you know the trending topic on your post, for regular trending post, hash digital marketing, hash Facebook, hash your keyword. The syntax is hash keyword 1, hash keyword 2, hash keyword 3. So this is option we can know on the digital marketing. The hashtag will be working for our options. So they will be help for the more generating the traffic will get the leads. So clear? This is very important from your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is dependent by your hashtag for depending on your topic. That keyword you can using n number of times on your profile. You prefer getting for more connections. Facebook is called friends, Twitter call is followers, LinkedIn called connection. So LinkedIn will be called connection. Please remember, LinkedIn profile name called connections. That is called connect. LinkedIn will be called as connect. So you're based on the post, your connections are increase. Previous, I'm uploading that video, it will be how many minutes? 10 minutes. Suppose I have YouTube videos are there. My video more than 15 minutes. Is accept or not? Will be accept. Here, look the screen. If you go to my YouTube channel, my videos are ads are will be appear. See, my videos are ads appear by in between the video. The video ads will appear by LinkedIn post or not. We'll check it. So I'm going to my just I go to search my Saudi news channel. This news will be called. We can show by our ads in the video between us. So here, just I open this one. My ad is open here. Yes or no? The URL. Go to LinkedIn profile. Click this option. Paste it. Here, how many minutes my video will be? Just skip the ad here. Netflix ad and skip here. My ad will be is the more than 15 seconds here. Now will be video will be for more than 11 minutes. So LinkedIn direct video uploading for 10 minutes. My YouTube will be 11 minutes. Is accept or not? It will be accept. Why? This is a channel video. Channel video, how many minutes? They accept. They accept 1 hour also. Now here, just to LinkedIn your profile. Now paste it. Hashtag profile page likes by @digital Rakesh. Why? I'm highlighting for my company page for my brand name is called Digital Rakesh. What the use? They increase my page likes. My company page followers. Now here, click for post. It's clear? Now here, they play the video here automatically. See this one. This is a problem for this video optimization. Why? When you're sharing this video, few option will be content problem. They will be blocked for the channels due to view law purpose. So we can go with this one. I can show this another channel here. Here I will display But if you come into your LinkedIn, now click the video here. They will play for only for channel. They can't play for your profile. Why? They can't lose the views on this channel. Channel privacy is there. Channel privacy is there. My channel will be for more view purpose. So I can't play for your LinkedIn profile. How to play my video? I can use for watch FB linker or thumbtube, or you can use by website to sharing for LinkedIn profile. Now here, just look the screen. Go to southreliance.com here. This one kind of website, but I'm not using this website. I can use for my own company website, Rakesh Solutions. Look how to upload video on my LinkedIn profile. What happened? If you're sharing that video, what happened here? A problem with my content part. Yes or no? Now here. This is a video. Just hold on. Here, just come to this option. Click for video tutorial. First, you will log in your admin panel. Or add the video on your admin panel. Without adding the back, we can't sharing by your front part. Yes or no? Now we'll be here. Click for submit. Video tutorial. Copy the video. Paste it. Click this one. Add new video. Careful watch. Add new video. Here. Video URL. Done. Video URL. Now just take the title. Here I'm waiting for how to migrate. This one. Select here. Select this one. Select this one. Select here. Now here. What we'll do? Just click the video. Option call is share, embed, copy this code. We'll go back. Click for source. Add this video. Now here. Click for. Now go to video tutorial. Well, last one is apply marketing. Refresh. Is done. They're showing or not? Yes or no? Now click here. YouTube is not possible. We can possible by where? Our website. We can share our website. Is a video. Suppose it's not working. Our embed will be working. Both are same. We can show in the header and inside also. Just come to your footer part. Select it. Here. Copy this URL. Come into your LinkedIn part. Click this one. I miss only thing is I'm not adding by my thumbnail. So thumbnail is effective for our site. Now added here. Now done. So click this one. Done. Now see here. This thumbnail and thumbnail. Anything change? Both are same. Now here. Friends. Page. Facebook. Here I'm using for Ash. Digital. Rakesh. Now click for post. Now is accept or not? It will be accept. Now here. This is the first one. See here. Second one. Previous will be showing like this. Yes or no? Now here is accepted. Now click. They're going to where? Website. Now here. We'll come to this option. Play. Ads are playing here. Ads are playing. 1, 2. So I am lost my revenue? No. two advantages. One kind of my website will be clicks will be done. They know my website links. My traffic also increase. Second thing is my video will be seen for number of views increase. Same time I can revenue through YouTube, AdSense or MCN channel. That is called CMS. Now here we can play this both videos. See this ads. Now just come to here. Now I will be playing. I lost my revenue? No. That is called we generate traffic on your videos through that one. So if anything sharing the videos on your LinkedIn, first the video upload by your website, website share on your LinkedIn. This is a very important concept. Please note it. If you share any video on your LinkedIn, don't share it on direct. Don't share on direct. First YouTube video upload by website. Website link shared to on LinkedIn profile. So this option is very important while using promote by video. First video will promote upload by our website to LinkedIn profile. Here, unfortunately, my website not accept my video. We can through blog too, we can share it by your LinkedIn profile also. They can two type of revenue, blog revenue and YouTube revenue also. So here, this is for sharing videos on LinkedIn profile.